Did you notice that some military planes still use propellers instead of jet engines? But why is that, you might have noticed that commercial airplanes use these, which are a type of jet engines called high bypass turbofan engines. Fighter jets use another type of jet engines called low bypass turbofan engines, but compared to jet engines, propellers are actually more suitable for certain missions and conditions. Propeller-driven aircraft are easy to maneuver at low speeds and are more fuel efficient at low altitudes and cargo. Planes like the 130 aren't generally going to be flying at high altitude, nor are they designed for supersonic flight. But probably the most important reason is that the high power-to-weight ratio of propellers at low speed allows these planes to take off from and land on improvised short runways, which is crucial in combat areas where you probably won't have a long paved runway at your disposal. The C-130 can and does land and take off from places that other bigger planes can only dream about.